This is the new ENESKArapidcoat. My name is Fabian Bickenbach, and today I will show you how carbide coating works. Okay, what is carbide coating and why do we need it at all? In order to coat carbide, we need an application handpiece and a tungsten carbide electrode, which is clamped at the front of our handpiece. The application handpiece is connected to our control unit, the ENESKArapidcoat. From there, all settings are made and monitored. Now we have a rough idea of how it works, in which cases, and where is it specifically used. Specific application examples for carbide coating include bending tools, stamping tools, or in the area of die casting molds to apply a wear-resistant protective layer. In addition to the classic applications, it is also excellent for creating grippy and rough wear-resistant surfaces. These properties are particularly important for gripping and clamping systems. Just imagine you have a guide rail that wears out due to abrasion. To compensate for this wear, you can restore it to its original dimensions through carbide coating. Additionally, you can create a heat-resistant carbide layer to protect your die casting molds. The ENESKArapidcoat is the latest development from UK in this area. It is suitable for the fast and effective coating of larger surfaces. With it, we achieve a hardness of 82 HR30N. We achieve this only through a high ignition frequency of up to 120 Hz and a specially regulated ignition spark. The user-friendly control is also noteworthy. Basically, you only need to remember 3 parameters. The intelligent control unit takes care of the rest. So it doesn't matter how much experience you bring, the ENESKArapidcoat always helps you achieve the best result. By default, you will find presets on the device, which you can also expand with your own settings. To coat larger surfaces, we use our handpiece with a rotating electrode. But what do we do for smaller, more delicate applications? For smaller and finer applications, we use our vibrating handpiece. Of course, we can also connect this handpiece to our Rapidcoat. No matter what shape and size, with the ENESKArapidcoat, you are always on the safe side. Enough with the theory, let's schedule an appointment now. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave us a review. To not miss our new videos, subscribe to our channel now.